ConRes is an IT solutions provider. We've been serving organizations for decades, so we know that managing contracts and assets can be a headache for overburdened IT staff. But at ConRes, it's in our DNA. That's why we built ConRes AssetCommand. AssetCommand gives you a self-service platform that puts all of your IT assets behind one pane of glass. Plus, powerful features to help you manage assets smarter, free up internal resources, and identify cost savings opportunities. Features like 24/7 access to asset data, role-based asset view, consolidated multi-vendor contracts, proactive notifications, customized reporting. Best of all, AssetCommand is powered by a dedicated team of advisors who tailor a lifecycle strategy unique to your business needs. It's all part of ConRes's plan to bridge the gap between the manufacturer and you. Running your business is a full-time job. Managing your IT assets shouldn't be. See how we can add value to your team. Get a full demo of ConRes AssetCommand today.